Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how, by improving your website, you can get more exposure, outrun your competition, and of course, get more pages. So, let's start here with your website. And at first site, I have to recommend adding more relevant content, and not just images, but more wording. If you add more content, including the keywords that you need to be found for, you can definitely start seeing results in short, medium period of time. But it has to be relevant. It has to be well written. So, and as on the homepage, you need to try to add as much content as possible. And kind of the same principle applies for the sub pages. For example, services. Let's say chiropractic right here. It seems that you have content, but it doesn't seem that you're targeting keywords. You have all the information, but if you don't add relevant keywords to the content, you can have a lot of information. It's not gonna help you at all. It's not gonna do anything. So basically, you'll have a tool that you're not utilizing, so you can engage into with more people and will help to increase your business. So if we look on the back end of your website, you're being found for 148 keywords. This is bringing you around 72 visits a month to your website, and you have 35 backlinks now. What are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website. It will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. These links will increase your domain rating and your URL rating. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so you can have dozens and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keyword that you need to be found for, all this will be completely useless. To a point that if they're considered spam links, they can actually impact your website in a negative way. So let's take a look, see the keywords that you're being found for really quick. Okay, of course, the branding name, you're ranking number two, just climbed 10 spots in that since last month. Chiropractor Jamaica Avenue, you're ranking number one on this one. There's 30 searches a month. Because you're ranking number one, you're only getting, you're engaging, there's 10 people going straight to your website. Chiropractors in Queen, New York, 40 searches a month, but you're on the second page. So you're not getting anything right here. And you just lost 3 spots since last month. So something you need to take in consideration. You're targeting these ones and multiple times, which is perfect to different of the sub pages. Physical therapy Jamaica Avenue, I believe it is. 70 searches a month, but you're ranking number five. So you're not getting anything here. And I show you that if I go to Google and do the same thing, chiropractor, Queens, New York, which this one in comparison to Jamaica, this one has more volume of search. Jamaica, New York doesn't really have any volume search for chiropractor. So if we do this search on Google, you're going to see the map section. And regardless of your location, you can target multiple locations, multiple cities, or even multiple counties, if that would be the case. So it can be here. So this is very important to be at. If we keep going scrolling down, then we have organic results, which is, I believe this is what's called directory number one. Then you got Yelp on number two. This one, which is Frank Hill Chiropractic.com, number three. Number four. So for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top three here and the top three here on the organic results. That means that they don't scroll down all the way to the end of the page and not even go to the other pages. So you are actually missing a lot of opportunities because I can see that um, your website over here, you almost at the end of the page, which is you might be missing a lot of opportunities from people trying to find a chiropractor in Queens. So for the purpose of the video, let's see why these guys are ranking on number 3, and of course, what would you need to do to start climbing that ladder. So we see that these guys, it seems that a lot of things going on, a lot of information in the content. They're probably targeting specific keywords, which is helping them as well. They have videos. This is also helping them as well. And you can see that they have a lot of pages. They have social media links, everything. So you have treatments, you have more pages over here, testimonials, you have a blog, which also helps a lot. Workshops, not really sure what that be. Let's take a look really quick. So it seems that he does some kind of seminars and information to the patients. But the whole idea behind is that the more pages they have with relevant content is helping their website to rank. If we look on the back end of their website, they're being found for 207 keywords. This is bringing them around 217 visits a month to their website. And they only have 25 backlinks. So in comparison to you, if we go back, let's take a look really quick. Give it a second. You have 35 backlinks. And this is what I was telling you, quality over quantity. This seems to be helping just enough for them to be a number 3. If we look at the keywords they're being found for, Queen's Chiropractors, this is a really interesting keyword because it has 600 searches a month. They're ranking number 3, like I will show you pretty much the same thing. It's kind of a similar keyword, but they're getting 69 visits from these 600. So very, very important to understand this. They're taking advantage of this volume, and this is they're getting 69 visits for that. Chiropractor, Queens, New York, 150 searches a month. They're ranking number 2. They're getting 19 from these 150 searches, 19 visits to their website. So those could be good potential clients. So basically, you'll need for you to start competing with them. You need to improve your content. You need to include the keywords that you need to be found for. For example, in this case, it would be Chiropractor, Queens, New York. And if we go back here, backlinks will also help. You need to get good quality links so you can start competing with for those top 3 in a Google search. Overall, if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. Or if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.